What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be vlogging. I have like a weekend trip, so it's literally just like we're going to be in Dallas for like a day and a half. I'm going for the Wizkid concert. Let me show you guys what I have on because this tracksuit is so cute that I got from Fashion Nova. So this is what I'm wearing for our little car ride, and then the other top is here or whatever. So you guys can see, your girl got a unit on, okay? And y'all remember this wig from last year? Y'all remember this wig? I would put some like stuff in it. Hold on. Let me turn this light on. Okay. I don't feel like I need to really put anything in it because I'm literally about to be in the car, but I do need to kind of like, where are my combs? Oh snap. Oh snap. I don't know where my combs at, but this is not plugged in. I'm just to kind of like just smooth this down. I need to find that comb because I need to pack it. But anyways, yeah, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, y'all. The fits for this weekend. I'm for the most part packed. Last night I filmed a video which should be live on my channel now. The Glam Light palette. So like I literally filmed that super late at night because that was the only time I had to film it. It's 9:18. We're trying to start leaving for Dallas by like 11. And so I just kind of got up a little early, had to, you know, pack up a little things that I didn't finish, take a shower, whatnot, get cleaned. So yeah, I'm currently watching Real Housewives of New Jersey. I'm trying to start that franchise. So I'm on season 2. I'm trying to catch up so that way I can be ready for the upcoming season that's going to be premiering 2022. We'll see. But I don't like Danielle. I don't know if y'all watch, if y'all are Jersey fans, I don't like her. Y'all, this hair is so cute. So Chi, shout out to Chi, because she be hooking your girl up, okay? So y'all remember this wig last year. Now, I'll be the first to tell y'all, I don't know about hair, okay? Makeup, I can help you with makeup. Hair, you're pushing it. Just gonna moisturize my hands. But anyways, so I was wearing that wig, this frontal, all types of wrong. When she literally saw that wig yesterday, or this wig, she almost shed a tear. She couldn't believe. She's like, Fred, you been walking around like that? Girl, I did walk around like that last year. I didn't know any better, okay? Because I watched the videos. I watched all the videos. And I just couldn't get it. And I did what I could do, you know? Just like some people struggle with makeup. That's how I feel about hair. Like, I don't understand. Like, they be, you know, cutting the little baby hairs and doing a little flick of the wrist. I can't replicate none of that. Oh, I'll put this ring on. Upside down. Anyways, I don't really have anything to say to you guys. I'm just rambling. I'll probably pick back up when they get here because she is picking me up. And then we're also going to Dallas with 2 other people as well. So you'll meet all of them in a little bit. All right, you guys. So we're finally leaving. Chi, what time are we leaving right now? Huh? Look here. I'm my business. We were supposed to leave at 11. What does that say, guys? 12:12. But she says we're gonna get there on time. Listen, what'd you guys say? Nothing. Okay, anyways, let me introduce you to everybody else that's gonna be here with the weekend, okay? We have Miss Trudy over here. Hi. We have Miss Patrice. Hi. You guys are so funny. They're like, hi. Okay, so we're about to head over to Dallas. Okay, I'm seeing Wizkid tonight.
The only one. You know, it's like we have to start like, and I'm glad that natural hair is so popular now, and it's okay. Like my daughter will never know what a perm is. Exactly. You know what I mean? And that's amazing. But it's like we still talk about, oh, you know, pretty hair is the curly 3C hair, and 4C is just not loved, and so. It's
to catch you guys up, we're talking about that Brianna Monique. I don't know if you guys know about what she said in her ignorant comments about
I was gonna
type 4 hair. Oh, don't worry.
Take a sip.
You're an asshole. Oh, stay right here. Stay in this lane. Stay right in this lane. It's a turning lane.
Okay. I thought he was just being an asshole. Like, this is the only lane that I could go in because you don't want to let me in. when there was mad space. So you literally weren't paying attention, then now saw me.
I hate when cars do
paying
that.
attention. He just wanted to speed. He just wanted to come at you.
No, because he let space.
You said
come
you got
in.
vodka.
Okay, no, not vodka. I have tequila, and I also have.
You brought stuff? Good job.
Of course, I have a bottle of tequila. But what we're gonna be drinking, though, I have I got the 1800, the peach margarita. So the concert starts at 8 o'clock.
I mean,
that's
I think
good.
we could grab something to eat, but I don't know if we can sit down and
Okay, no, right.
But I think the doors open at 7.
Yeah, no,
And it's all standing room, so we want to do like.
I'm about to elbow my way up to the front.
I kind of want to be.
So there's 4 of us. We can fight.
Yeah, we
I mean,
Now, I want you when we start singing.
that's fun. Oh, you want that?
And a bucket.
Patrice, you're such a good camera holder.
Patrice, y'all, and she driving will scare the hell out of me. Like her driving is just like.
There's the Buc-ee's.
Everybody quit your day job.
Right?
Which one? Should we go to Bucky's?
Let's go to Buc-ee's. They got that good roast. What's that slow cook whatever?
Oh, sure. Are y'all getting something?
No, that's all. Let me stop making decisions.
Okay, everybody wanted
For the person
Buc-ee's.
that's getting something.
Right.
I want to fry.
Oh, y'all still eat McDonald's in 2021?
First of all,
McDonald's is the bomb. Even if it doesn't go bad, okay? Shut up.
we take what we can take and we leave it alone.
Absolutely not. I'm sorry.
I like filet of fish from McDonald's. That's the only thing
I do love their filet of fish.
the only thing that I miss from McDonald's is their nuggets, but I don't eat them. I go to Wendy's.
Oh, really? So Wendy's is better?
I'm not eating McDonald's. That's the reason why I got fat all them years
People that
ago.
go only to Wendy's swear Wendy's is better and Chick-fil-A because they swear everything is fresh.
Hey, Chick-fil-A is
Look at the
better.
camera.
Chick-fil-A is
Firstly,
it's okay.
take that back on the camera.
That's not what I said.
Chick-fil-A is the shit.
Chick-fil-A is okay.
It cannot.
Yeah, hear this blasphemy.
Understand
Chick-fil-A
why
is
people,
okay,
it's
but it's
okay.
only chicken.
That's the point. Just like Cane's. They're straight to the point, and that's why they make so much money.
Like no damn
I think
thing.
because people are paying like 3 times the price for something, they just convince themselves that they're eating royal chicken. Like,
Yeah, like
it is better. I mean,
it is better.
No, they're
Watch him.
how is it better?
Chick-fil-A is
sir,
better.
because we both want to do the same thing here.
Oh, oh, no. Oh, God, I told you guys she's driving. This is scaring me.
But y'all know where I'm from.
Listen, you know what I'm paying for at Chick-fil-A? I'm paying for
This
that
will happen
drive-through
when-
organization. Boy,
This will
like,
happen when you let somebody from New York
when you want
drive.
to give stuff out, have Chick-fil-A come coordinate it. Like, they will.
Yep, everybody.
So she hating on Chick-fil-A. Cause
I'm not hating on Chick-fil-A. I
You
love
hating on
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A?
But
But
I'm
I'm
hating when
saying
it's
they're
not
just
all
okay.
that. Like, y'all,
But they are like all.
No, they're not.
They're not all
They
that,
are
bro.
not. It's like
They're
it
not
just
all
tastes
that.
like a
Okay,
chicken
give me
sandwich.
a fast food place that's better than Chick-fil-A.
No.
They all taste the same. Is what we're saying. That's the
Did
point.
you just say Chick-fil-A tastes like McDonald's?
Yes.
blasphemy.
I'm just saying. It just depends on what I'm in the
No,
mood
I didn't
for.
say that. Well, I didn't say that.
I said that.
I said none of them are better than the other options.
There's we have
After she talked all this shit,
exactly.
she the first one to say what she want to order.
A filet of fish with fry and the ice cream, okay? And then a couple waters. No, you know what? I got bottled waters.
Okay, guys, we made it. Y'all, this hotel is cute. Let me show you the lobby. Cute photo op moments over there. Just cute. So this is my living arrangements for the next day and a half. We're on the 10th floor. And this is our view. Not really much to see. This is what I'm drinking for the weekend, so y'all know I love me some Patron. Now this I have not tried. Typically I get the Glorias. Got the ice. So yeah. Cheers to the weekend!
See. And I didn't get your cup.
Oh, this is good.
You know,
It's very good. That means is that. Let me even take a picture of that because that's my new drink.
I like this, y'all. This This don't taste like got a whole bunch of alcohol in it. Hold on. This is one that might hit you when you're not expecting it.
Yep. And that's why I'm not driving.
I'm about to start.
Your makeup now?
I need to do my eyebrows at least.
Whitney takes 3 hours to do her makeup.
No. Is that no? I don't take 3 hours to do my makeup. I'm a very punctual person. That's why it was giving me anxiety when she said he's 11 and it was not 12. I am somebody, I stick to my time.
That was on me because I had the baby.
I wouldn't even say it was on you though, because I was working. I'm not making it.
I got all of that.
Little pony. I'm not a stallion just yet.
Okay, guys, so this is your girl's outfit, okay? It's risque. The whole side is out. Y'all, I'm like completely naked underneath this dress. But I need to go ahead and get me a picture. You know, like a little something. Let me show you the beat. I need to go ahead and I need to take my hot comb and like kind of laying it down a little bit better. Oh no, the lighting is definitely this way. Y'all, this bottle. Y'all, this right here. Y'all need to try this. If y'all like margaritas and y'all like a mix and you don't want it to taste too alcoholish, this right here. Because as you can see, we have demolished this. And then this, I'm taking this with us in the car. I'm going to take shots of this before we go in. We about to be lit. So we got, Patrice, can you turn around and do a little twirl for the people? Oh. Trudy, can we see the little fit? Okay. I sound like Lil Jon. And Chi. Oh! Y'all, I'm boldly walking around with this bottle of Patron and not giving 2 shits. Listen.
I know.
What did I lie?
Chi, come this way.
Come this way, honey. Whew, I think we got some good pictures. I think everyone kind of got at least one picture, at least. We're running kind of a little late. The concert does start at 8, but I feel like they really let people into the hall. But I'm gonna see if I can, you know, just gyrate my way up there. Just do one little small dance like this.
If not, I'm not even going to stress it.
Honestly, it's okay as long as I can clearly see him. Like, oh, that's Wizkid. Hi, Sue. It's dark. Come on, it's 7:54. Let's see if he really gonna come out on time. He's not. You ready?
Hey, sweetie pie. Hi, Mom.
Girl,
Hi,
shots.
I already took it.
What? Who's waiting for you?
doing?
Oh, to do the video. And she gonna pause.
Mine is done too.
Oh hell no!
I can't hear you.
I'm in the car. We're driving to go get some food.
Ooh, yum. Get me some.
Oh,
Miss you.
I'm done. This lighting looks good. Good morning, beautiful people. So, as you guys can see, it's the next day. Wizkid was fun. It was a lot of fun at that concert. A lot of fights broke out. We almost got into something too, but luckily, you know, hands thrown because it was crazy. Like, it was literally jam-packed in there. And what was making me mad was that people kept pushing to the front. Y'all notice how I kept saying like, oh, I'm gonna elbow my way to the front, but it was just like a joke. Like, I'm not gonna move people out the way who were there before me. But a lot of people were not comprehending that last night. And like a lot of girls kept like trying to move. And I'm like, where are you going? Like, where are you going? Like, it was a lot of back and forth. But I eventually moved to the back because two of my other friends, like, they were able to find something else. So we just went back there and enjoyed the concert and whatnot. Wizkid came out 3 hours late. Yes, 3 hours late. So, then that was that. So after he performed the song that I wanted to hear, or we wanted to hear, we were gone. I didn't stay for the whole concert. Like, once he sang the main songs, Ginger, Essence, all the ones, I was like, I'm good. My heart's content. I'm ready to go home because enough is enough. Like, this was just crazy. And then we just ate and came back home. So now I'm about to start getting ready for XOXO. Oh, this is darkness. We're about to go to this place called XOXO Dallas. And it's really cute. It's like all pink. It's like a nice aesthetics. Y'all cannot see anything. Doing your makeup in the hotel sucks. Can't never see nothing. It's dark.
Look right outside.
So this is the fit for today.
That's the thing.
I have the top on from Fashion Nova. Pants, pretty little thing. Shoes, Ego. And then purse, Shein. Yeah, this is today's fit. Same makeup as yesterday. Just soft, smoky eye. Well, not really smoky, but more like a matte eye. And gloss.
It's like when you wake up as a mom.
Y'all, I completely forgot to vlog while I was in there, but it was a beautiful restaurant. Food wise, I feel like this is definitely a place for aesthetics, and that's where their money comes from. I feel like the menu was just kind of like subpar, but overall, if you're looking for like cute like place, like a photo op moment, you take cute pictures, XOXO would definitely be your friend. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're about to head back to Dallas. Not really much else to see. Finna sit in the car ride for 4 hours. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you're not yet following me. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye!